Whether you're traveling through the glades, or hitting some deep powder in the back bowls, your equipment is your best friend.
Whew, that was a good one. One big thing I want to make sure of when I'm going down the hill is that all of my gear stays intact. The biggest problem I could have is a critical failure on one of my pieces of equipment. Gearing up for my next trip, I'm taking extra precautions and making sure I have all the equipment I might potentially need on the slopes.
Whether I'm tuning up the buckles on my boots or adjusting my bindings, I need to have the right tools for the job. My bindings, it's simple enough to always have a screwdriver with me, but boots prove a little more difficult. For this, I went and joined Derek Ellis, our 3D printing engineer, to help me out. Stationed at our M Hub in Chicago, we had all the tools we needed to scan and 3D print some replacement parts for my boots. Using the handheld Arctex Space Spider, Derek was able to capture scan data for my boots, skis, and bindings, detailing all of the critical information I would need to recreate certain components inside of SOLIDWORKS. After working his magic lining up multiple meshes, I was able to get a fully detailed recreation of my boot in STL format to import in. Once in SOLIDWORKS, I went to work on the components of the boots I had the most concern with wearing out, my buckles. Using surfacing tools to cut down the size of the mesh, I went about recreating a full model of the buckle itself. Now for another important aspect. If I'm going through all this to print a replacement part, I want to verify that it can withstand the rigors of the mountain I'm actually planning to use it on. Running some simulation studies for stress, I get a good idea of what material is going to work best and which ones may not be worth my time. Since I'm printing, one consideration I want to take into account is how much material I'm using to get my desired results. I can run a topology study to see what type of material reduction I can get and reduce the cost of the overall part. With my final model ready, I can kick it back over to Derek to send to one of our Stratasys 3D printers to get my final replacement. While I've been working, Derek sent over our boot scan to the 3D printer to give us a miniature replica, including textures and color. The 3D printing team at Fisher Unitech deals with challenges like this on a daily basis, producing incredible replicas and production style parts. You can check out fisherunitech.com for more information on printing. The ability to create anything you want is now more accessible than ever before. With my extra equipment, I won't be letting anything on the slope slow me down.